What was it, a P1421? Alright, so I just cleaned the throttle body on this MR18DE 2010 cube. I'm hoping that's going to clean the problem, fix the problem. But it's a P1421, 207,000 miles. I just cleaned that with some carb cleaner. I'll put it back together. Alright, this video is about a PO1421 on a 2010 Nissan Cube, 207,000 miles. I don't even know if the spark plugs have ever been changed on this thing. It looks like this engine's never been apart, but it's a friend's car. I don't know anything about it. All I know is it's got this code. So I'm going to assume it's the throttle body. It's real dirty. It was real black. So I cleaned it. So to put it all back together, just need a 10mm ratchet to take out the engine cover, take out the throttle body. You don't need any gaskets or anything. Just take the throttle body off, unplug the electrical connector. I left the water lines hooked up, so I don't have to deal with that. Clean the throttle body with some carb cleaner, and then put it back together with 4 bolts, 1 electrical connector, and an intake hose. Pretty simple. I'm gonna clear the code. It's been I think a week or two, so I haven't heard back. I heard that the light is still off, so I think it's fixed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below if you want to see more videos on Nissan Datsun repairs and upgrades. Thanks for watching. Oh, I did notice in one of my code readers that the PO1421 was a catalyst issue. I don't think that's true. Found somewhere else that it was related to intake, like bad throttle body, clogged intake, etc., or the idle air control. That's what my other code reader said, so don't know why 2 different readers got 2 different opinions on what it is. But there wasn't much on YouTube on this error, so that's why I'm making this video. Hope it helps somebody.